Welcome back to EDONext. Today, we will be going over uploading your photo content into Entourage. Let's start by entering a project, and at the top left of the menu, select Manage and Manage Photos. You may be prompted to create a category if this is your first time in the project. Categories are basically folders to store and organize your photographs. To make a new category, select the drop-down, and you should see the option to make a new one. This includes options like color coding and allowing you to parent them under a specific category to keep everything organized. Once you create a few categories, we can now use our features for uploading your photos. Before uploading, here are the accepted file types. The green Upload New Photos button will open a browse icon that can take you to the File Explorer so that you can take what's on your computer and upload it. You can select multiple files and upload them all at once, or click and drag your photos into the uploading box to begin. Hit the Upload button once everything has been queued, and the importing will begin. While everything is uploading, be sure to remain on the page to allow the files to finish being imported. You can now see everything you've uploaded appears under the category. Let's move on to the rest. Email Photos is a special feature that allows parents and staff to contribute photos without giving them access to the book. For every category you make, it will create an email address. You can give this address to your parents and staff, and when they send photos to this address, it will populate in your associated category in about 5 to 10 minutes. This is great for gathering content quickly without needing to be in 3 places at once. We can also import photos from last year as long as you had a previous Entourage Yearbook project with us. By selecting Import Previous Photos, you can select categories from previous years and re-upload them either with the photos included, or if you just want the categories, you can uncheck the Copy Photos button. Another feature we have is the capability to upload photos from Dropbox and your personal Facebook and Instagram, as well as showing you a QR code that can be scanned by your phone to upload photos from your mobile device. How handy is that? Lastly, we can also upload photos from Google Drive, which will be available shortly. For anything else that is not a photo, we can head over to Upload and upload pages and other content. This will let you import video files, PDF pages, and anything else you may need for your project. Thanks for watching, and be sure to contact us for any questions and suggestions. See you next time.